Okay, it's done. Oh, it smells so good. Hi everyone, today we're making steamed eggs with fish fillet. This dish is very simple to make, very nutritious. After steaming, the eggs are silky smooth and the fish is soft and tender. So let's get started. I did not have time to go to the market recently, so I bought frozen fish instead. This is frozen halibut. This is how you pronounce it. Anyway, I've tried this before and it is actually really fresh. You can use any white flesh fish for this recipe. I like to use grouper, red snapper, siakap, also known as sea bass, just basically any white flesh fish. I've rinsed the fish with water and now we're going to cut it into thin slices. Then season the fish with some salt, some light soy sauce, and some shaoxing wine. The shaoxing wine is going to get rid of any fishy smell. If you don't take alcohol, you can always use white pepper. Then gently mix the seasoning with the fish. Crack 3 eggs in a bowl. Add some water. I'm using a 1:1 ratio. If you want the eggs to be lighter, you can always use more water. Some salt. Then use a fork to mix the egg and the water. Transfer the egg mixture into a steam-proof plate. And gently add in the fish slices. Make sure the fish slices are fully submerged in the egg mixture. If you see any bubbles on top, remove them to get a smooth surface. Bring the water in a wok to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, use the heat to low. Place the egg mixture on the steam rack. Now this step is very important. You need to tilt the cover slightly. Make sure there is a small gap here, and that's going to even out the heat. And after steaming, the egg will be smooth. Okay, it's done. Oh, it smells so good. Gently tilt the plate. It's done when it's no longer watery. Some shallot oil. You can buy this from the supermarket or you can make your own. I have a video on how to make this. You can refer to the link in the description below. And garnish with some coriander. Okay, it's done. Can't wait to try this. It is so good.